Hi class, let's take a look at problem 2. Now problem 2 is slightly different than problem 1 because it deals with not only an integral, but in this case it happens to be a force, and we're calculating, yes, still the integral, but then it's going to represent work. So in this case, this is going to be work done by a variable force. So I'll just label it as W, but then we have to declare the variable. So I'll just let x equal to the position, and technically f of x is equal to the force. As long as you declare something on applications, that would be perfectly fine. Then technically w, or the work, is going to be equal to the integral from, in this case, 1 to 10 of the function f of x. So f of x dx, this is equal to the integral from 1 to 10 of 1 over x squared dx. And let me just rewrite it as the integral from 1 to 10 of x to the negative 2. Oh no. So x to the negative 2 dx, which is equal to x to the negative 1 over negative 1 from 1 to the values of 10. So this is going to be equal to negative 1 over x evaluated from 1 to 10. And then this is going to be negative 1/10 minus, and then a negative 1 over 1, or negative 1/10 plus the values of 1, or negative 1/10 plus 10 over 10, or the total values of 9/10 or 0.1. Okay, so for this problem, you can leave it as 9/10. The only addition is that we're going to need a sentence, and then on our actual problem here, we're told to use joules as the unit. If it doesn't mention, you can just put units, but technically this is work, so we need to state some sort of a unit. So let me just rewrite it as the total work done by f of x from the position of x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 10 is a total of, in this case, let me write it as, actually wait, 9 over 10 is 0.9. So they should be 0.9. So our final answer, it's going to be 0.9 joules. Oh, it's not letting me change it. So let me write it as 0.9. And in this case, let me just write it as joules. That would be our final answer. Don't forget that on applications, we typically declare the variables. In this case, we're just jumping to the definition of work for a variable force. So we're displaying the integral, a couple steps, and then your answer as a sentence. That's actually it for problem 2. In this situation, we're still doing the integral, but it's assumed that the work is being done by a force.